Good morning, YouTubers. If you people own a Fiat 500, this is what you're going to run into. Some corporate bastard executive decided, hey, we can make a few more pennies per unit if we make the piece out of plastic. I know where I'd like to stick this piece of plastic for the a-hole that made that suggestion. But you can get one on Amazon from the good people at Apperfit. Yeah, that's the trouble with these car makers. They don't give a flying fadoodle about making quality products. All profit driven. Profit, profit, profit. Quality goes out the door. And this is how it should have been made in the first place, with a zinc die casting. And I saw a Fiat at the junkyard last week, and the door handle was, this piece was off on the ground. So I got to watch my favorite YouTube channel, Love 500. It's a guy out of England. He buys Fiats at car part auctions, and when they get wrecked or blown engines or people turn them in, they go to auctions, and then he gets them online and whatever and fixes them up. An excellent, most excellent channel on how to repair Fiats. Anybody that owns one of them, you got to watch that guy's channel. God bless the YouTubers and the people that share their knowledge on the internet.